irrelevant by that other bloke. Made for cheaper productions, no subject too trivial. Penguin Head.